Replace existing folder with mv command. Apologies if this question has already been asked, I couldn't find anything. Let's say I want to replace old stuff with new stuff. Basically renaming to replace. I try using this command, but that only moves the folder new stuff into the old stuff folder. How will I replace old stuff with new stuff? I am running OS X 10.7.
If /old stuff does not exist, we'll rename new stuff to old stuff. If it exists, it will move new stuff into old stuff. So, to answer your question, first remove /old stuff, or rename it to older stuff. See this question again on how to do it, then use the mv command as you did.
Another solution would be to use rsync. Be careful with the trailing slashes. They are important. This will copy everything in new stuff into old stuff. And the code below will copy everything in new stuff into old stuff, and delete anything in old stuff which is not in new stuff. Note that neither of these commands will do anything to the files in /new stuff though. If you want to delete them, you'll have to do the rm command separately.
You can try. We'll move everything in folder 1, including files and directories, to folder 2. F. Do not prompt before overwriting equivalent to reply equals yes. mv man page.
You have at least two options. And
Yes,